8 steps. How hard could it be? All right, this is gonna be a whole new adventure for me. Never did this before. All right, well, I will admit I have been putting this off for months. It's a wall mural. It's vinyl wallpaper. I have to use adhesive. I am just going to do one panel in the corner. And if I don't like how it looks, I'm going to take it off right away and get the glue off. Never done one of these before. It's really pretty thick vinyl. It really is. I've always hated wallpapering, especially with wallpaper paste. It says it's strippable. So hopefully, if I don't like it, I can get it off without ripping off all the drywall. All right, well, I got what I need, I think. Let's see here. I got all those supplies. Cleaned the walls, did that. Make a plumb line, I did that. Brush the paste on the wall. Brush heavy-duty wall covering adhesive. The paste on the wall should not be too thick. All right, people, what's too thick? Use a scraper to install the first mural from top to bottom. Smooth out any bubbles from the middle to both sides. Reserve 1 inch on the left. Well, actually, I'm gonna install it from the right. Step 6, install, match out and slide them into place. Number 7, no overlapping. Number 8, follow 6 to 7 until it's done. You can cut an X in the power switches. And then, congratulations. So 8 steps. I don't know, how hard could it be? All right, this ought to be interesting. Okay, right now, I'm thinking of just ripping the whole thing off. All right, I gotta admit, this first one was a pain in the butt. And I think it was just mainly because I had to trim the corner, including the top and bottom. But I am not gonna give up. I like the way it looks. I just got 5 more to go. Well, I did it! Yeah, I would say the only places would be on both of the corners. It would be nice to have 2 people. Got the sun shining on it right now, so that's where that white spot is on the bottom. I really like it. Would I do it again? I definitely would. The only thing is where the 2 pieces go together. There's a white edge on the edge of the wallpaper itself. So if you're putting it against 2 dark things, it's definitely more noticeable. Like here, there's actually a seam here, and because it's so light, you can't see it at all. Would anybody else notice it? Probably not, but you know what? It's one of those things where you know it's there, so you're always gonna see it when you walk by. I had to go around some outlets, and most likely you're gonna have to do that too. And then I remembered I was gonna have a little bit left over. So I do have a strip that was on the outside edge that has basically all of the colors, all the way from really light to that really dark. So I'm gonna try and match up, if I can, the outlet covers with the wall there. The only thing I'm worried about, I don't know how it's gonna do in the summer. I mean, it's UV resistant. I guess I will just keep everybody posted. All right, I will catch you on the next remodel, rehab, whatever we want to call it.